picked up this car from a customer back in 2011. It's a
Okay.
1949 Ford
What do you do?
auto repair.
Okay, so this car came into your...
Yes, it was a
your
customer of
car.
ours, and he just kind of gave up on it after a while. It was sitting for a long time, so we were able to take it with the help of my father, who's over there, get it running again. Just kind of keeping it the way it was.
Okay.
Just recently, this past winter, we had Atlas Auto Upholstery redo the whole interior.
Let's have a look at it.
You know, they're local to Edison, and then we had Exclusive Auto Body actually painted the dash for me, and then I got a local artist, Glenn Weisgarber, do all the pinstriping.
Wow.
So,
Wow.
you know, keeping it comfortable inside to ride in, but maintaining the old patina look, the old hot rod look on the outside.
Okay. And did he do these?
So yes, he did.
These
There's
stuff
over
in?
here. There's some pinstriping on the front hood.
Right.
This is some of his better work. And then what he did with it is he actually weathered it to make it look like it's been on the car for a lot longer than it was.
So is this new paint?
This is original paint. This was
Okay.
a old repaint, maybe done in the 70s, and it's just weathered like this.
Okay.
So we've just kind of kept it that way and just a little polish it up to make it shine. Yeah, it's a 1949 license plate with an original Perth Amboy license plate topper. That's where the car
Right.
came from. It came out of Perth Amboy, and it now lives in Perth.
This is great. This is local history.
Yeah. On the side, this is what they call a swamp cooler. So what air would do is air would enter through the front. You would have water inside in a straw membrane, and as that would get wet, the air would cool off and then go inside the car.
So that was air conditioning.
That was an air conditioning, yes.
That was air conditioning? How simple and ingenious.
Right.
Force air and a little bit of water.
Right.
Like an automatic espresso machine. I don't know. What year is this?
49.
So where do you know where it was made?
Most likely Detroit.
Detroit.
Or it could have
yeah.
been local, maybe even.
Okay. And you said 49, right?
Yeah, 1949.
Wow. Well, thank you, Dave,
Thank you.
for having shown
right.
us the car, and I hope that you have it for a long while.
I plan on keeping it. Thank you.
Thank you.